Welcome to 2915 Chatsworth Road, Unit B. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment on the first level. You can see as we enter the home, there's tile flooring going from the entry all the way down the hall. It wraps around into the kitchen on your right there as well. Right off the entry, you have a living room with a large window looking out to the front. And then it's all open to a dining area here as well. There's a sliding glass door that leads out to a small covered patio, which has a storage room right off of it as well. There's also an additional storage unit that comes with this, or storage room that comes with this unit as well. That's right past it on the left as you pass the front door. You have a galley style kitchen, again with those tile floors. Nice cabinet and countertop space. You have an electric stove, a dishwasher, as well as a refrigerator there in the corner. We'll walk on through. Also a window looking out towards the back. 2 bedrooms in this home. This is the first of those 2. Both of them face the front of the property. You have a closet here behind 2 bifold doors. Second bedroom here on the left at the end of the hall. Roughly the same size, might be a little bit larger. You have a walk-in closet in here. Shelving on both sides. And you have a coat closet in the hall, as well as a linen closet there. And then you have full bathroom, again with tile flooring, an updated vanity and mirror, and also an updated shower and tub enclosure there as well. So that completes our tour of this property, 2915 Chatsworth Road, Unit B. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or giving us a call at 803-407-8522.